Hello friends, I'm Anjali Singhal, a two-year classroom program student at Aakash. I joined Aakash in 2015. After passing class 10th, we're actually clueless as to go where and what to decide. But Aakash was quite a bang-on choice and helped me manage my time and channelize my energy properly. The teachers here are very friendly. They're available during the break, before the class, after the class, in the doubt clearing sessions. They're very friendly and the notes provided by them are quite bang on. They actually help us to channelize our energy in the proper direction and tell us what to read and what not to read. In the beginning of the session, we are provided with 2 days orientation program, which actually helps us to fill the gap between 10th and 11th and tells us what 2 years ahead would be for us. The study material provided here separately for physics, chemistry, botany and zoology are quite comprehensive and useful. They cover up not only NCERT but also the stuff which is usually asked in the competitive exams, and knowledge cloud in the packages is a thing that provides us edge over the other students who are giving the exam. The questions in the end of the exam, when we study something for a long time, the mind gets saturated. So practicing questions is equally important in the end. The packages are provided with the questions covering boards as well as competitive exams for NEET and AIMS. The questions divided into various sections, whereas one section covers up assertion reason, the other covers up all the previous year questions, and one covers up the difficult questions which actually provide us with the edge over the other competitors in the exam. The environment here is friendly as well as competitive because it helps us to actually see where we stand, and the discussions between the peers is also useful because we discuss important questions before the starting of the class in the break, and also helps in the holistic development because we come to know that what others are reading and how much do we need to read more. The environment here is actually what makes you study more and more and work towards your goal. Test series here is very important and actually helpful, and a special feature of Aakash obviously. The test series comprise of weekly tests, term tests and AITS. This repetitive test has actually helped me take things in my permanent memory, because once I go through the same thing again and again, I'm actually storing that in my permanent memory. This is what the test series actually aims at. AITS not only helps me clear my concepts, the syllabus is basically divided in these exams, so we get to know our weaknesses in each and every subject, in each and every chapter. Plus, it also provides us with a platform to compete with 30,000 to 40,000 students across the country, and ranking system which actually tells us where we actually stand and how much do we need to improve more after that. The explained solutions to those questions is also very helpful because there are some questions that we're not able to complete in that stipulated time there, and then we can solve them afterwards so that our concept is actually boosted. We're given concept strengthening sheets based on those AITS. So if any question of ours is wrong, then we can actually have 4 or 5 questions on the same topic to improve that topic and actually cover up our weakness in that topic. If that same topic comes up in the exam, we are not there fumbling there, or we actually know the solution to that. They actually make us practice so many questions that the question paper seems so familiar that we can actually take questions in that without even solving them with proper time. The iTutor and the library facilities available here are also very useful. By chance, if you miss any class any day, then you can actually go and attend those video lectures there with the faculty teaching the same topic. So we are not left behind and the backlog is covered up. Library, there are many theory books and MCQ books of foreign authors and as well as Indian authors, the old editions, the new editions, which are not so very feasible in the market and we need to actually search, but library is one shop stop for that. We can actually get many books, MCQ and theory both, at a very nominal price. So that has actually used library for 2 years extensively. The teachers here focus on holistic development, academics and non-academics both. The inspirational and motivational lectures by our MD sir are very useful as to how to actually cope up with the stress that the exam provides, the exam temperament. It's very useful, and after attending them, I actually found my confidence level go up. In the end, I would only like to say, please join Aakash. It's the actual place where you will get the zeal and the competitive atmosphere to work towards your goal and take your journey ahead as a medical aspirant. Thank you.